So in this problem, you run 1/12 of a mile in 1/2 of a minute. How many miles per hour do you run? So here we have miles per hour. We know that's what we want in our unit rate. So we have miles per hour. And then we have 1/12 of a mile. That's great. And then we have 1/2 of a minute, but minutes aren't hours. So we need to actually convert 1/2 of a minute to hours. So we have 1/2 of a minute. So let's go ahead and make that a fraction. And we need to convert minutes to hours. So in order for minutes to go away, if we're going to multiply, we have of means times. So we have minutes on top, and if we multiply fractions, if we have minutes on bottom, those would cancel out. So I'm going to put minutes on bottom, and minutes have to convert to hours. And then 1 hour is made up of 60 minutes. So I know that minutes on top and minutes on bottom cancel, just like if I had divided by 2 on top and divided by 2 on the bottom, they would cancel out. I can cancel out minutes and minutes, and then I just go ahead. 1 times 1 is 1 hour, over 2 times 60 is 120. So we have 1/20th of an hour. So this is 1 over 1/20th. And now we can go ahead and complete our math because we have the right units. So we have, if this was going to change into miles per 1 hour, then we would need to divide the bottom by 1/120th to get 1. That means the top has to be divided by 1/120th as well. So we have 1/12 divided by 1/120th, and we need to keep change flip because it is division. So 1/12 stays, division changes to multiplication, and we flip over 120 and 1. So 1 times 120 is 120, 12 times 1 is 12. And then when we look at this, we can divide the top by 12 and the bottom by 12. 120 divided by 12 is 10. 12 divided by 12 is 1. So now 10 divided by 1 is our answer. And so that would say 10 miles per hour.